What's going on, YouTube? We're here with the 93 Grand Marquis, and excuse the little beeping. And I was gonna remove the stereo, and I thought it'd be a good little video to make for you guys. So when we first got it, we got a harness for the radio, but it didn't have a connection for the speakers. So what I ended up doing is I ran them straight to the harness of the car, and I literally just shoved it. I twisted the tip of the wire and I shoved it into just a little hole. But here it is right here, guys. These are your speakers right here. This one, these two, and these two. Obviously 2, 4, 6, 8, so that's for 4 speakers. Just look at the ones in the back and match up those two, and that's 2, and then you have the other 4 left over. But that's how I got around not having to buy a harness. Literally just shoved the wire into the connector hole. Imagine this one, I just